gonna start by cutting a whole onion. All right, this is nice and finely chopped. Now I'm gonna bring in my pan. I'm just gonna put this all in here. Just like that. I'm gonna take some olive oil and just place this all over the onions. Perfect. Now I'm gonna take my freshly ground beef. Now I'm gonna start by sprinkling some salt, some pepper, this seasoning, some onion powder, and some of this adobo seasoning. All right, we're gonna give this a nice mix. Just get it all nice and mixed together. All right, that looks good. And now we're just gonna take this to the fire for about 20 minutes, probably on medium heat. All right, now I have some tortillas here, and I'm just gonna cut them this way and this way. Now I'm gonna bring in my muffin tin. I'm just gonna place these like this. So for each little spot, open space, we're gonna put 2 of those like triangles. All right, now I'm just gonna take some of my taco meat that I just made, and I'm gonna place it right inside. Now I'm just gonna again do this to all of them. And I'm gonna take some cheese, just sprinkle this on top. Now I have my diced tomatoes, and I'm just gonna put this on top. You don't have to use this if you don't like tomatoes, but I do like tomatoes, so I'm putting it on there. All right, those look good. Now I'm gonna pop these in the oven just so the cheese can melt and the tortillas can get a little bit crispy. Hey, look at these. You can hear it sizzling. Those look so delicious. Now we're gonna remove these from the muffin tins. Perfect. All right, I'm just gonna take a little bit of sour cream, place that on top there. I'm just gonna cut it right down the middle. All right, so let's give this a try. Those are so good. A little bit messy, but completely worth it. That's so good.